Hi guys, this is Viraj and you're watching my channel Boss Video, and welcome back to my new video. Today I'm going to show a tutorial how to remove background noise using Audacity. So without wasting time, let's get started. First open Audacity. And record in voice. Remember to start recording your voice after 5 seconds. Hi guys, this is Biradu and you're watching my channel Boss Video. As you have seen that I have started recording my voice after 5 seconds because as to get noise profile, select the extra voice and click on effect. And you'll see an option saying noise reduction. Click on it and click get noise profile. And again select whole audio and repeat noise reduction in the effect section. And you'll see that the background noise has been removed. Now select the extra voice behind the audio and cut it. Second step is to normalize and click OK. Now the volume of your voice has been increased.
Hi guys, this is Viraj and you're watching my channel Boss
The
Video.
voice has been increased. Again select all, click on effect and click on change pitch. Now you'll see that percent change box. Just glide that mark to about 8 or 9 or as per your voice. Click OK. Now you'll see that your voice has
Hi
been
guys, this is Viraj and you're watching my channel Boss Video.
voice has been deepened, but it looks like quite fake, so I'm gonna again change my pitch. Change to about 10 this. Hi guys, this is Viraj and you're watching my channel Boss Video. Is again looking like Hi guys, this is Viraj and you're watching my channel Boss Video. So guys, this is how you deepen your voice using Audacity. Guys, if you like this video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel. If you want any other tutorials by me, please write down in the comment section and show some love.